Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Port of Kimberling Marina and Resort. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in southern Missouri, this resort is on the shores of Table Lake. It features a swim area and an on-site boat ramp. Free Wi-Fi access and a flat-screen TV are provided in every room at Port of Kimberling Marina and Resort. They are equipped with a microwave and refrigerator. Some rooms also feature balconies. Guests can rent a variety of watercraft, including jet skis and pontoons. There is an on-site tennis court, basketball court, and volleyball court, as well as an outdoor pool and hot tub. The Port of Kimberling Resort is 18 miles from both Table Rock State Park and Branson. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.